Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Hotmail or Outlook app isn't receiving emails, you're not alone. This is one of the most common issues users face, especially when you're waiting for an important message that just won't show up. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that works for most people. So stick around till the end and you'll have your inbox running smoothly again. First things first, let's check if the problem is actually with the app or your account. Open any web browser and head over to Outlook.com. Click on Sign In, enter your Hotmail or Outlook credentials, and access your inbox. If your emails appear here but not in the app, it means the issue is related to the app settings or sync. But if they're missing here too, it's likely a storage or account problem. Next, on the top right corner of your Outlook homepage, click the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down and select View All Outlook Settings. Go to the Mail or Account section. Here's where you can review your forwarding, filtering, and sync settings. Make sure no filters are blocking new messages and ensure that your account sync is turned on. Many times, just fixing a wrong filter or disabled sync instantly solves the issue. Now, this step is crucial. Click on Storage in your account settings and check your total used space. If your mailbox is almost full, new emails simply won't arrive. So, delete old or large emails, especially ones with big attachments, and don't forget to empty your deleted items folder. You can also move older emails to the archive to free up space quickly. Once storage is cleared, refresh the page and check your inbox again. If you've done all these steps and still face the issue, try updating the Hotmail or Outlook app to the latest version. Updates often fix hidden bugs and improve syncing performance. And that's it. You should now start receiving your emails without any delay. If this guide helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment if you still face issues. I'll try to help you out personally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.